How's it going, everyone? It is me again. Before you watch this video, I would recommend you to watch the very first part of the entire vlogs, which it's either going to be in the description, or you can just click at the top right corner, which it's gonna pop up right about now, which it's gonna show a video card. So make sure to click on that first if you don't know the entire context of it, or for any reasons, even though if you didn't care. But I would recommend if I were you. But if you already watched the video, like the entire of the vlog, then you are free to go. So enjoy the video. Alright, let's go in this door. Hello. Alright, here is the bathroom, everyone. The bathroom where all of your dreams are washed away and flushed away. Where all of your dreams will be flushed away in just a single speck of time. So here we got a mirror of myself waving at the camera like a fool. Hello everyone. I'm not sure why my phone is still here because I'm just completely brainless. We got ourselves a hand soap. Not sure what the purpose of this was, but if it's just gonna catch a hand soap, then bam! I think that's the perfect use for this one. Here is the washer mechanism where you would wash your sins away. As after all, we got ourselves a toilet where we got ourselves, you know, where the waste goes down, like your dreams, like your sins, like my dreams or ambitions in life, just ending up in the piece of flipping toilet. If you're actually like, you know, thinking about easing your problems away, why don't you just flush it in just a single flush and then everything will be gone? Or if there's something still in your digestive mechanism where things are going out and things like problems is stuck in your digestive mechanism, you can just use this bidet and then spray underneath your digestive mechanism. And then if all the things are clean from your digestive mechanism, you could just put your bidet right here and then start flushing. But I'm not gonna flush in the second time of this particular clip of the vlog because I'm just gonna waste some entire resources for the rest every time I do it. Here is the window, a pointless piece of flipping freaking the frack in the window where you can't see anything but pure whiteness. So freaking amazing. Here we got ourselves a shampoo, but I'm not gonna try to waste our shampoo because I don't think it's really worth it. So we got a tap water, a faucet. I'm not sure how this thing works, but we got ourselves, if you feel, if in case of backup, we got ourselves a shower head, which I don't think the big shower head doesn't really or will affect anyone's safety of bathroom experience. I'm not entirely sure if this is really safe to use, but we got ourselves another backup in case of your feeling of uncertainty towards the safety. We got ourselves a less rusty shower head, which you can't, as you may see, you can't see any rusts, but pure dirt. I think I'm not sure what this thing is, the white thing is. And last but not the least, if you want to cover yourself from being naked at all times, no need to worry. The curtains will save you from your dignity. Of course, we got ourselves the curtains. If you feel like you should hide yourself in the bathroom to prevent any embarrassments from your good old friends, you could just use the curtain and then no one will see you what the hell you are doing. And that concludes the bathroom portion of this. Oh my god, I'm feeling completely retarded at this moment. Man, oh my, look at this beautiful view, everyone. Yeah, it's just so amazing. Everything is so peaceful, there's nothing much quiet loud here except myself. I don't think I should be like shouting in here according to the rules. I think this is how a actual sanctuary works. Everything should be peaceful. Everything should be relaxing. You know, comforting and all that. If you guys love what you see on the inside of the room that I did a tour to you guys, let me know down in the comment section below what you think. If you have any thoughts or feelings or opinions about it, let me know also in the comment section below as well. Or if you want to say something random, comment section there as well. Because I would really need some interactive people in my channel. It's dying! So I guess I'll see you guys there. Feeling really tired at the moment. And I'll just let you know what I'm gonna do next. In this next clip of the vlog. So, peace out. She's having his time of her life. Naamay ko yung pagkain dito. Now this is the ASMR you all should look forward to. So apparently dogs aren't allowed in the inside the hotel room premises. I read the entire rules list in here. I read the rules here, and don't tell this to any people who may know who are working here, please. Just trying to have a little fun time with our dog. Please give us a chance. Please, I know we all can violate the law, but please, just take a look on this dog's face. Feeling convinced yet? Neither am I. I know you all have. Oh yeah, my dog also wonders the same thing. What even is the point of ending a window that is completely a window where you can't see anything but blurry? It's just completely blurred, but most of them is courtesy. Ah, no! I'm not entirely sure why. And we even have blinds in them. I also forgot to mention this in my hotel room tour vlog. Why would we have a blinding system where in the windows you can't even see stuff? Not even a single thing. What even is the point? I also forgot to mention that this entire room is so big and cavernous at its point, at its finest. Oh man. If it's just so big, you can do anything you want. You can breathe anything you want. I guess my parents are here, so I better stop. Man, it's been few hours. I've been editing the entire afternoon, and holy cow, the pool is getting different. That's why I decided to swim in the night. At this moment, hello. Holy hell. Yeah, so this pool actually doesn't allow you to dive like the entire pool rules. Oh, so cold. Man, look at this frog, man. This is some normal sized frog, yet I adore it. Good evening, everyone, and yeah, I'm not even prepared on this in this segment of this vlog, but yeah, I just got out on the pool, took myself a bath. I'm really sorry if you all feel so disappointed about all of the pool related segments, as you may see. Right after this entire clip of the vlog, I would just do the rest of our free time, since there's nothing we can do. I don't think there's some sort of a bar or any store, not bars as in I would buy some drinks that are not really that alcoholic, and since I'm not alcoholic because I'm not that legal yet, just only 1 year. But I wouldn't drink if I were 18 already. I'm a pure boy, you see that. I just really want to hope that you all have a wonderful day, even though you're not in a place, or if you had any in a vacation or something, just live it with the life, enjoy things while it lasts. And yeah, that's how would I this is the only word that I could spread it out to you all just for a moment, and hopefully I could make some more. Oh man. So I'll just see you guys there. Good night, everyone. Hey, Milo drink. Serves up. And scene! Congratulations! You made it to the end, everyone. I really want to give yourselves a pat on the back. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this entire vlog that I edited out. The entire experience was completely relaxing as it may seem. I'm pretty sure that the entire pool segment most of the time is the most disappointing. But I can tell that me, myself, and my family had a lot of fun. That's like the longest part of the day we ever had, I think. Like the slowest part of the day. We take some pictures, which I'm going to show you there. Yeah, pretty much. There it is. Yes, just keep showing. Just keep flipping showing. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about the swimming pool part again. I was like, the reason why I would record that particular segment a little less sir than the rest. It's because first of all, I didn't have any waterproof video capturing equipment, and my cell phone is the only device I only have for video capturing. It's not actually that waterproof, so it might be risky to get into the pool with my phone on, or else. And yeah, I just don't want to risk it. I have a lot of days yet to use for my phone in the future. I'm not sure how will it end up, but I don't want to end it that way. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that's pulling me back from recording the recording for that particular segment. That I think that's the one that's pulling me back. Yeah. The entire room was completely okay. The entire let's just say the entire hotel room that we had. For some reason, I almost forgot to the fact that the hotel staff doesn't allow any food. And as you may see on the last part of the vlog, or the last episode, you may see that there's a refrigerator, and the question is, why is there a refrigerator even though even though foods are not allowed? But we broke the rules. We broke some of the rules that doesn't just completely make sense. Sometimes they just created that. Talking about the scenery, that's like their main I don't know what to call this, but the main strength, like a strength or something. I don't know. I can't think of anything appropriate for that term. But yeah, the entire scenery, as I would record it to you all, like every single cinematography. It's completely great. It's completely amazing. Matches the ambiance to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this experience that I had for about a day. We really had fun. There's nothing actually we can do since it's just a hotel. So I think the amount of duration of stay is completely reasonable. As a word that you all should be taking out throughout this entire video, you gotta learn how to live your life. Enjoy the little things, even though this world that we live in is currently bringing its worst upon us. I don't know for why 2020 could be such a bad year, but I'm glad that it's gonna end soon. enjoy what it lasts. Enjoy the little things. Learn how to live it with the life. I think I'm just repeating what I said. Even though if you're not in the in a really amazing, wonderful place that looks like a rich man's paradise to you, you just gotta enjoy every single one of the things that you love, and just keep doing what you're doing. That's the only word I could get. I'm not sure if I added something up in here, but yeah, this is like my key takeouts for this entire trip, the entire overnight vacation. I don't know. I do not tolerate anyone throughout this entire video. I do not tolerate anyone to go outside for some unimportant reasons. We had our reasons to go outside, even though there has been a coronavirus disease going on. It's been spreading the entire world, planning to find more victims. We didn't intend anyone to encourage you to violate the coronavirus safety protocol, since going outside is pretty much the most illegal thing that you should do. Unless if it's important thing. Ours is just completely important for the sake of our mental health. And I think that is completely, reasonable to say. Another thing that I would actually want to point out, since I made a vlog, what this entire purpose of this vlog that I did, it's not really my intention to, just because I got into some place that is just, a rich man's paradise, as you may seem, like it's so nice to see, like if it was a rich people to go, as it may look throughout the entire vlog. I do not intend any people to feel bad. I do not intend this entire vlog, this entire 2-part vlog that I created, to make all the people feel bad, while unlike some of the vlogs where people would just flex the entire stuff. I'm completely a different person. Even I will just let the people assume that I'm completely a rich person, even though I'm actually not. I just really hate a lot of people who would just make assumptions about my family's financial status, and I actually don't like that. It triggers me a lot. I just don't want people to go into that particular hole just because I got into some places that is completely amazing to see, like it's like for rich people only. I don't want any sort of people to go into that particular route of thinking. What you all should just keep in mind is to just think of it as how you would enjoy the little things while it lasts. Yeah, pretty much. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have enjoyed this video, let me know that in the comment section below. I know that this vlog this is like the type of content that some of you people do not might enjoy, but if some of you have enjoyed, then that's great. Let me know in the comment section below on what you think. I'm not sure if I should tell you all to leave a like and subscribe, but it's up to you, I guess. It's up to you. Turn on those notifications if you don't want to miss any type of content. I'll be doing much more videos in the future. As of now, I will never stop uploading. Oh my god, it's about 6 minutes. I gotta make the outro a little more shorter. So yeah, take care everyone. I'll see you guys there. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.